makeup artist na yung anak ko. Spend time kami ngayon kasi pabalik na ako mamaya. So early morning, what time? Now is 6, 7, 8, 8:35 kasi mabilis na lang pabalik na, kaya I try my best to spend time with him sa lahat na time na maiwan sa akin today. So nandito na kami sa van. Yan, thank you very much sa pamangkin ko, no. Pinagamit mo yung van mo sa akin, kaya marami ako napuntahan, no. At kasama mga anak ko. Ito na, oh. Gusto niya daw make upan, may inihintay lang ako. Oh my Lord. Kunti lang, ha. No? That's my makeup artist.
Bliss.
Can you say hello, Blissy?
Hello, Blissy.
Okay. Oh. Kunti lang, ha, please. A little bit only. I know. Oh, that's the lipstick. Okay, yan. Tama na yan. Telemisi. Is na. Wow, so pretty smile. Smile, yes.
Mami, kaya yung lipstick.
Ha?
Kaya yung lipstick.
Oh, do you like my lipstick? Do you want my lipstick? Do you want to try my lipstick? Yeah.